We just arrived at the JW Marriott in Quito, Ecuador. So I'll do a quick room tour. It's room 711. You walk into a closet with a safe. It's a double door. There we go. That was nice. The light came on when you open the door. A little coffee station and the refrigerator down below. A full mirror. And nice king-size bed. So there's a large desk area, chair, another chair with an ice bucket.
There's our bottles.
We are on the Celebrity Flora. This is included in the 10-day package. We've gotten our water bottles and settling in for the night. A large TV, flower, and a dresser. Then go back over here to the bathroom. It's a large bathroom. Single sink. Wow, big mirrors around the bathtub. And this is the shower, which we have not used. We just got here. So we'll see how that is. But that is the whole tour at JW Marriott, room 711, Quito, Ecuador. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like seeing all of our videos of the different places we go.